I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone and the Dell Chromebook and unlock them so pairing prompts appear. Once Bluetooth is active, sign into the same Google account on the Chromebook if you want Phone Hub features, because that links notifications and apps. Next, plug the phone into the Chromebook with a USB-C cable to enable file transfer options. Choose File Transfer or Transfer Files on the phone when prompted, so the Chromebook can access media and folders. You now pair and configure. On the Chromebook, open Settings, then Bluetooth, find your phone in the list and click Connect. Accept pairing codes on both devices to confirm the secure link. After pairing, grant requested permissions such as media and contacts so features work correctly. Make sure to enable Phone Hub and Smart Lock in Chromebook settings if you want notifications and automatic unlocking. These services require the same Google account and Bluetooth to stay active, which is why you allowed those permissions earlier. You finish by transferring and verifying. Open the Files app to see the phone listed under Devices and drag files across, or use the Phone Hub to view messages and notifications immediately. Once transfer is complete, eject the phone in Files or disconnect from the system tray to avoid data corruption. If something goes wrong, a common fix is to toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart both devices, and try another USB-C cable. These steps clear stale connections and resolve most pairing or transfer failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.